Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to locate GTA5.exe for OpenIV. Alright, let's begin. First, install OpenIV on your system and open the software. When it launches, select GTA5 Windows as your game version. OpenIV will now ask you to locate the GTA5 installation folder. If you already know the location, you can directly browse to it. If not, you can find it using your game launcher. On Steam, open your library, right-click on GTA5, select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. This will open the GTA5 directory. On Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, click the three dots next to GTA5, select Manage, and click the folder icon. For Rockstar Games Launcher, open Settings, go to My Installed Games, select GTA5, and click the folder icon next to the installation path. Once the folder opens, copy the directory path, return to OpenIV, click Browse, paste the path, and select the folder containing GTA5.exe. I don't have GTA5, that is why I'm getting a path error. So that's basically how you can locate GTA5.exe for OpenIV. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.